Today, we'll introduce various facilities and services provided by Natural Science Campus Library entitled How to Use Myongji University Library, including how to access resources and search information. Let's begin. The first topic is library card. You need this library card to access the library building, borrow books, reserve seats, or use any other services our library offers. You can either use your student ID card or mobile card as a library card. Your ID is student number and your initial password is 6 digits of your alien registration number. I will now explain how you can receive your mobile card. After downloading the Myongji University Library application on your mobile, log in and click on Mobile Card just like this. Service hours. Subject resources room on the second and third floors are available from Monday to Friday. We operate from 8:40 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. during semester and from 9 a.m. to 4:50 p.m. during vacation. We are closed on weekends and holidays. Study rooms are open from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Study rooms and laptop study room located on the 4th floor are open 24 hours. Group study rooms and study garden are available from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Group study rooms are closed on weekends and holiday. As our response to coronavirus crisis, our library is operating under limited hours. Please check the library website for operation hours as they may change without notice. The next is regarding the facilities in the library. These are subject resources rooms. Located on the 2nd floor are sections for electronic information and technology and science. In the electronic information section, there are internet room, multimedia room, computers, and the AV room for watching movies or listening to music. Technology and science section is for pure science and technology science. On the 3rd floor, we have social science section, which has resources related to language, literature, and history. Humanities and arts section on the same floor is for philosophy, religion, and arts. In addition, there are 4 computers on the 2nd floor, which you can access and print text from the National Library of Korea and the National Assembly Library website. And on the 3rd floor, we have special collection of books on career, study abroad, and travel. As a place for study, laptop study room and study room are located on the 1st, 4th, and 5th floors, and there is also study room on the 1st floor of the College of Engineering Building 3. Group study room, study garden, lounge, and the copy room are located on the 4th floor. Borrowing and return can be made at Subject Resources Room Desk, located on the 2nd and 3rd floors. You can return books using automatic returning machine before and after operation hours. Next is how to reserve seats and make bookings for facilities. You can reserve seats in study room, internet room, multimedia room, and AV room using mobile application or using kiosk located in the library. You must make a reservation using mobile application or from the library website before using group study room. Just like this, you can log in to Myongji University Library mobile application and reserve a seat. You can make a reservation for group study room from the library website like this. You can also make a reservation using mobile application. Reservations can be made from 1 day prior to the date you wish to use the facility. Let's take a look at how to search items using library website. Please log in first. Choose the tab according to your search, such as Integrated Search, Collection, Electronic Data, and type in the search keyword. You can also do advanced search. You can search by types, year of publication, and others. You can also do advanced search. You can also search on mobile application. Next is regarding books in the library. The first is about call number assigned to each book. Call number can be understood as postal address of each book, which helps us locate the book. 412.12 is classification number that differs by subject. COP 15C is author mark. COP is the author's last name, and C is the first letter of the book title. Volume 1 refers to volume number. R refers to reference such as a dictionary. For serial publications such as magazine, P is used. Books marked with R or P are not available to check out. Let's take a look at classification number. Classification number classifies resources by subject so that resources of same subject can be displayed in the same locations. Our library classifies subject according to Dewey Decimal Classification. Our Technology and Science Resources Room, Social Science Resources Room, and Humanities and Arts Resources Room are divided by subjects. When you search for a book using call number, the order of book arrangement is left to right and from top to bottom facing the bookshelves. Undergraduate students can borrow up to 20 books for up to 14 days and extend the loan for 7 days only once. Graduate students can borrow up to 40 books for up to 30 days and extend the loan for 15 days only once. If someone else reserves an item which has been a loan to you, you will have only 10 days till the return regardless of initial loan period. You will receive a text message in such case. You can check and extend the loan status from the library website or using mobile application as follows. Please visit the desk located on the second and third floors for return, and you can use automatic returning machines before and after the operation hours. Automatic returning machines are located in front of the elevator and security office on the first floor of Myongji. It is also located in front of the fourth floor elevator in Myongji. Please note that the reserved books, books with accompanying CD, and or any other materials, and books borrowed from social science campus can only be returned at the desk. Unresolved accounts at the library may result in the loss of borrowing privilege. Borrowing is restricted for the number of overdue days multiplied by 2. Students who do not resolve their accounts may have their certificate held. I will now introduce various services you can use in the library. Reserving books. You can make a reservation if you're looking to borrow an item that is on loan to someone else. To reserve an item, please log in to the library website and click on the reservation button, green, which appears when you click on the item you're looking to borrow. Reservation can be made up to 2 books per person, and each book can be reserved up to 2 persons. When the reserved item becomes available, you will receive a text message, and the item is kept at the desk for 3 days. You can also reserve items that belong to social science campus. Log in to the library website. Click on Intercampus Loan button, yellow, which appears when you click on the item you are looking to borrow. When the intercampus loan becomes available, you will receive a text message, and the item is kept at the desk for 3 days. You can request for priority processing for items whose status are in process or completed. Log in to the library website and click on Processing button, orange, to request for priority processing. When the items requested for priority processing becomes available, you will receive a text message, and the item is kept at the desk for 3 days. You can suggest a purchase for the Myongji University Library's collection from the library website. Follow the instruction above and click on Purchase Request for books. You can also suggest the purchase of domestic and international ebooks following the same steps as above. If you want to use the university library near your home, you can print out the request to use interlibrary form available on our library website and bring it with you when you visit other university libraries. This form is available from the following menu: Library homepage, Library service, and then Resources Usage service. Now we move on to electronic resources. Electronic resources you can use include, but not limited to, electronic journals where you can access paper, WebDB, which allows you to search by subject, VOD services for foreign languages and computer skills, ebooks, and others. If you click on e-resources menu on the library website, you will have access to eJournal, WebDB, VOD, and ebook. If you want to access electronic resources off campus, you first have to log in on the library website. Come and see your library. We have lots to enjoy and enrich your campus life. Thank you for your attention.